The US economy expanded at an annual rate of 2.1% for the second quarter of 2023, coming in line with estimates and market expectations. Growth rate for the January to March quarter was revised upwards to 2.2%, but consumer spending came in weak as it rose 0.8%, the slowest pace in a year. For the July to September quarter, the economy is expected to grow at 4%, and keeping it with the macros, the US unemployment claims edged up modestly to around 204,000 this week after reaching their lowest levels in 8 months the previous week, indicating that the economy is still on firm ground. Of course, that will give some amount of room for the Fed to continue to hike rates, which is what they continue to suggest as part of their commentary.
Well, and billionaire investor Ray Dalio says that he's closely watching the US fiscal situation and terms it as a risky situation. He also adds that the US is going to have a debt crisis. Remember, US debt levels have already surpassed that $33 trillion mark for the first time this month, and lawmakers are already negotiating a spending bill before the 1st of October. That's the deadline.
Right, and let's switch over to Asia. Some good news for China as the IMF sees signs of stabilization in their economy from the recent data and projects a 5% economic growth this year. IMF also believes that China can grow at a faster pace over the medium term, citing boost from reforms over the medium term.
Shifting gears to earnings now, Nike reported its Q1 earnings beating the street estimates. Stock rallied almost 9% in overnight trade. During the earnings call, executives stressed on strength rooting from consumer demand.